Hello, IK here. Welcome to Authentication and Authorization Part 8. Here is index.js. Here is a root for a component what go instead outlet in app.js. Here is a root. And of course, dashboard component would be in outlet, and customer, depend what role of user is. For admin, it would be dashboard. For customer, would be open, navigate customer. And because of the not permit lodged a user, not permit to go in address if not if there is no role for that, if not authorize. Role is authorize part of authentication and authorization. And for that, we have a private root. Here is a component private root. And private root is around open, close. Look at private root around what component would be display in outlet when a role is admin. When a role is a customer, would be display customer, would be navigate to there is a, this is permission, no navigate. Navigate is in login.js, but it is a required role. For dashboard, required role is customer. For dashboard, it's a required role admin. For customer, required role customer. Now, let's see that required role. It is a private root. Private root here. It is children requires the role, and if not authenticated, return navigate to login. But if the user is authenticated, but doesn't have the correct role, show unauthorized. Here it is. If required role and user, question mark, it means if there is no user, would not be unquoted or undefined. Because of that, here is a question mark. It is optional chaining. And the user role, if not required role, return unauthorized. It is component. And contrary, return children. And the children is always a component inside of open close private root. It is always child. It is always children. A component would be opened, navigate if user there is a required role. Okay, very simple. And every address where we want the correct required role, we put this private root. Okay, it's all for this video. And this is a last video about, in this session, about authorization and authentication and authorization. Which means authentication is to find user, that user exists in table user. It is would be find by email of user and password. And after that, we control a role, authorization. Role is authorization for concretely address, in this situation, admin or dashboard. Thank you for watching this video.